Two new COVID-19 subvariants are gaining traction throughout the country at a troublesome rate. That's according to White House top medical advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Western Mass News reporter Maria Wilson is getting answers from a local expert about what this could mean for people here in the Bay State.
Chris, Mary, with cold and flu season arriving, there's added concerns as cases tied to a couple new COVID-19 subvariants are turning up in the U.S. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top medical advisor, weighing in on COVID-19, telling CBS News that there are two new subvariants that are growing at, quote, a pretty troublesome rate. BQ1 and BQ11 are subvariants of the Omicron COVID-19 strain and currently represent more than 11% of cases since mid-September. This according to the data from the Center of Disease Control and Prevention. Compared to last month when these subvariants only accounted for less than 1% of cases. And while cases here in the Bay State have been trending downward, experts say we should not let our guards down just yet. Western Mass News is getting answers from Dr. Erica Hamilton with the UMass Amherst Microbiology Department. She tells us it's concerning how quickly the new subvariants are spreading.
This is similar to what Omicron did. Our cases across the country for COVID were going down. Things were looking great. And then Omicron arrived and everything turned back around again. And our COVID cases went up, our deaths went up. And we may see that from these two subvariants.
Dr. Hamilton predicts that we will soon start to see even more cases of these subvariants as we also enter cold and flu season. We asked Dr. Hamilton if the booster protects against these subvariants.
Subvariants are close relatives of Omicron, and the new bivalent COVID vaccine does cover Omicron. So if you have not already gotten your bivalent booster, get that, because that will help.
This past August, the FDA approved Moderna and Pfizer's bivalent COVID-19 vaccines, which target both the original strain of COVID as well as the Omicron variant. Dr. Hamilton tells Western Mass News that she is optimistic that the booster will help prevent against serious illness from Omicron and its related subvariants.
We don't know if it will be 100% effective, but it will definitely help simply because the virus strains are related to each other.
And Dr. Hamilton recommends people continue washing their hands regularly, mask up when in crowded spaces, and also be sure to get both their flu shot and their COVID booster. For now, reporting in studio, Maria Wilson, Western Mass News.